promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't. And he never will. I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't. And he never will. I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't. And he never will.
I can't wait for you to come home. I really miss you.
Is that right? You don't miss me. I'll record no text me right quick. Yeah.
Okay, I am so excited because today I am doing a hair review on this beauty right here, okay? So I got this from glamourtress.com. All information in this video will be linked, but this is 34 inches of crimps, okay? And I have this exact same wig in 613, so the blonde color, but I was like, for the video I think I want to do the black one and do like a little show and tell, and then yeah, we're just gonna check this out. For the blonde one, I have some plans for that one, but just in case it doesn't go how I'm imagining it, I wanted a backup, like just for the everyday. So I'm just taking it. This is fresh out the box. Comes with a little tassel. It's giving you washing and care instructions. Okay. And it says that this is HD lace transparency, and it is a lace front. Okay. Now, I'm not a super huge fan of lace fronts just because I have thick baby hairs, and I don't really like my hairline having to be like, because the concept is weird to me. So I don't like my hairline having to be all the way up here. It's taking away so much forehead. And I need some shears. Oh wait, look at this. My nails keep getting caught on the damn nets. Oh my goodness. Go. So this is it. I want you guys to see the ends. It's very soft. As you can see, the crimps are all uniform. It has this is the same little tassel. So I'm gonna leave the tassel for now, but I am gonna cut it off. So let's see, I'm gonna pop this on real quick. I'm guessing it's supposed to be a side part if I'm going off of the picture.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person
Yep, it's supposed to be a side part. Look at the lace.
as you
Like that.
in your entire
Oh,
life.
wow. I might have room to pull this up. Let's see. Nope. So when I cut the lace, I might not even glue it down with the gots to be, with the gots to be or anything, just because, you know, I think I would prefer my edges to be out with this. But look how flat it is sitting. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the stand up because this is 34 inches. Oh, hope you guys can see. Ooh. Okay. I'm 5'5". And this is where it's stopping on me, looking straight ahead. Wow. I am really impressed. It is so flat. Okay, so now I feel it's only right. Look at my mirror. Now I feel it's only right to cut the lace off. Like I said, I'm not going to. Then it comes with its own little baby hairs. The hairline looks great. I think I paid what, like $40 for this unit, which is not. Come on now. We throw away $40, like. So yeah, this is very pretty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'm just gonna put it back on my head, because like I said, I don't think I'm going to like glue it down, because I have my guts to be ready and everything, but I really don't even feel that it's necessary to glue it down. If I wanted to do like baby hairs or something like that, then maybe, but no, like this is gorgeous just like this. So I'm gonna cut that lace off and I'll be back. Okay, so my phone died. I need to put it back on charger, but while it still got a little juice, I went ahead and cut the lace. I'm not done putting my little tweaks and stuff on it. I'm probably gonna put some concealer in the part and maybe cut down the lace a little bit more. Yeah, because I'm not doing all that glue stuff. I'm gonna show you guys once again. The ends are a little puffy, so if you want to thin them out, that's fine. I'm probably gonna wear it a few days and then thin it out. But honestly, it's really not much that you have to do with this wig. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Like, I love the crimps. I'm going to get a lot of videos in this unit, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, my reviews be they be simple and sweet. Oh snap, I got this TV on in the background. Hopefully you guys heard what I was saying. But oh yeah, and one thing I did forget to mention about this wig, there are combs in the back, so you can, you know, hook it or whatever. Okay, so right here, I just wanted to show you guys me in the wig standing up. So I'm gonna do a couple of spin arounds, okay, to look over the shoulder, just so you can get the whole vibe of the wig. And as you can see, I am feeling myself. Like, I am in love with the texture, I'm in love with the color, I'm in love with the length, literally all of the above. We did good on this one. I am loving it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's all for today. I'm about to go find something to get into because I'm off today. And I want to thank you, babies. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm trying to push out more content than what I've been doing. It is a struggle, but we gonna keep going, okay? Thank you, babies, and see you in my next video. Mwah.